A group of Irish scientists are preparing for an aerial mission during tomorrow's solar eclipse that will gather new information about the sun. The group, including astronomers from the Dublin Institute of Advanced Studies, will be flown towards Iceland by the Air Corp to record images of a total solar eclipse.
The window is open so they can get a clear shot of the eclipse without distortion from the window glass. This was a test flight because tomorrow they have to be ready. They have been preparing for more than a year to film just 2 minutes of total eclipse.
So it's of course a bit nerve-wracking, but we've been preparing. We've already had 2 test flights, and our camera will actually work in a pre-programmed sequence and taking all these images in sequence. So the plan is, even though it's only 2 minutes, we're going to be there early. We're going to be there almost an hour early. We're going to open the window maybe 30 minutes before and take some images with the sun with our telescopes.
The camera comes from Italy. Scientists there use spare parts from telescopes made for space missions, including the solar orbiter. It was made specially for filming solar eclipses.
There are very good images with normal cameras of the eclipses, but the important information is the polarization that we can get from this instrument.
The Air Corp will be flying them out towards Iceland to capture specialised images, which may help solve one of the greatest mysteries about the sun. Why is the corona, the area just above the sun's surface, millions of degrees hotter than the surface itself? A problem scientists around the world have been working on for decades.
I mean, the mission of DIAS is to do international research and to do the best international research. And so then we'll be coordinating with the European Space Agency for the observations. But NASA will also be flying an aircraft at 50,000 feet. And we will, once we land, we'll compare images and try and understand how the sun's atmosphere works.
And of course, never ever look directly at the sun. It could permanently damage your eyesight. If you want to look at the eclipse, there are safe ways to do it, including eclipse glasses and other techniques. Coleman O'Sullivan, RTE News.